Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jersey Lagamak, section G1F. I will discuss to you, sir, how to discuss the correcting and uncorrecting access. I have here, sir, example number 1. So, your course is 189T. The variation is 5 degree S, and the division is 2 degrees west. And what is your PSC per shape or per shape course compass and compass error? So one is, sir, may calculate, sir. So ato ni nga given T is put the T, sir. T 189. Then variation is put the 5 degrees S. Put the M. So we need to calculate, find the magnetic, calculate, sir, the T and V. Variation is S. So we have to minus, sir. 189 minus 5 degrees 4. So we have to put it 4. To put the division to calculate, sir. So this T. So the division is 2. Magnetic is 189, so we need to put in 18, so 184, sir. 109 minus 5 is 184. And so the division is 2 degrees. Yeah. We have to put 2 degrees is west. So now calculate, so we need to plus, sir, kay 2 degrees man. Then we need to calculate the EMD, sir. Then 184 and 2 degrees is 186. Then to put it to course. Okay, so we need to put, sir, compass error. So compass error, and then the variation. Variation is 5 degrees, yes, sir. And we need to put the sir, division. Yan. Put the division, sir, in 2 degrees west. Okay. Yan. We have to calculate, sir, and then calculate this, sir. We need to find compass error. To put the compass error here, sir, then calculate na, sir. So 189 minus 186, 189, sir, 1 minus 186 is 3 degrees. Butang sa lasa ni, sir, kay dako man ang 5 degrees is kaysa 2 degrees west. So 3 degrees east. So that's all, sir. Thank you.